We're back.
Hey!
Yeah.
So, we just freed the first sapling
Yay.
out of the many saplings later to come.
Wants to be a future acorn.
Do you want to be a future acorn?
No, the sapling does.
Wait. I'm confused.
It's natural tree anatomy. You know, you go from being a full-blown tree into a
Okay.
sapling into an acorn. I mean, isn't that how trees work? I mean, you see them disappearing all the time, and then there's a bunch of acorns on the ground. So,
Okay, I can.
I mean,
No, you're right.
it just makes sense. I mean,
Right. So now, since we have that monkey, we make a circle. And now we've made the world a better place.
so pink flower petals make world better place.
Yes.
So we're going on the rules of every anime since like 1942.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sakura trees are the most blessed place, and they have the most power ever. So.
Okay.
So yeah, absolutely.
I have no idea what kind of anime was going on in 1942.
Lupin?
I don't know. Like I said, I don't know what was going on in 1942. I wasn't born back then.
Right.
And
Well, 1942. Honestly, there might have been the beginning of like manga.
I don't know. Like I said, I haven't done no history. I don't know history too well. I mean, I know American history decently well, but like when it comes to stuff like this, I don't like, especially like say manga history, the history of manga.
Right.
I don't know anything like that, you know. I'm using a lot of filler words, and I apologize.
You're fine.
My English is not just... My grammar in my English is just not the best, but...
Better than mine.
I don't know about that. Ooh.
Okay, so now that we've cleared up this area, we can do a few things. So over here, this is an old gate. So basically, we fight stronger demons here, but we get the world becomes safer, and then we get more praise points, which again allows us to level up a lot better, because we need to level up, or else we're gonna be
Get our
awful.
butts kicked.
Oh yeah, easily.
So it's basically, you know, just regular game mechanics. Level up and...
Right.
Level up so you can fuck up the bad guy. Yeah. Oh, you can do the slashy thing. And yeah, hit the A button.
Oh, he escaped.
He's underground. You're a
Yeah.
dog. Dig. Dig.
It's funny because I think I can actually do that.
The bazooka. Yes, now's your chance. Dig, 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 dig,
Let's
dig.
see, I can actually fight with trees. Oh,
Okay. And
come on. Hit, hit,
and
hit. There we go.
It's gone.
And slice.
Dead.
And now we got that
The beast fang.
beast monster thing. Feels so good. I hate my sniffles, man.
I know you've had them for a little while, you know, all day today, pretty much.
Yeah, I'm not happy with it.
As long as you don't start into another sneezing fit.
I'm really hoping not. I do not want to deal with that if possible.
Sneezing, fun. The joys of spitting out pieces of your brain.
Yeah. That's definitely what that's called.
Just like... I mean, that's what I was told at one point in time when I was in college, is that every time you sneeze, a little piece of your brain escapes. So, like, I after being told that, every time I had to sneeze, I just held it in, and it gave me the worst migraine ever. And I would just walk around, and everybody would be like, "Why are you so pissed off right now?" I'm like, "I had to sneeze this morning, and I held it in, and it hurt like hell, and now my head hurts." And they would be like, "Well, why don't you just sneeze it out?" And I'd tell them why, and they'd just be like, "And you believe it?" I was like, "Man, I gotta save every bit of brain I got in there. You know, I don't have much."
We all feel like that, I think. So, cool thing about this is
Really bad.
when we get deeper into the game, we can actually teleport to different locations because of that.
Ah.
And this is a dojo, so we can actually learn moves here with our shield and stuff. Which again is always good, because so far we're weak as hell.
Time to level up.
Oh, sorry.
Yo. I can just hear the yo. Clink, 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 clink.
So, this is Old Man, and what's funny is you see his face, right?
Yes.
It becomes so messed up when he's teaching you.
Messed up as in you beat the crap out of him?
No, you'll see in a sec.
I mean, it honestly looks like where his mustache ends is like all of his mouth, so he looks like the Muppet. You know, and it looks like his mouth is just going like
I mean, you're gonna see in a sec like what happens.
What? It.
Yep.
His chin was his forehead,
Yes.
and his mustache was his eyebrows.
Yes. He keeps his head completely upside down.
Why?
It's very messed up. It's like I feel like only he could do it.
I mean, he got rid of a luxurious mustache that had two tiny little squeaks on his face. I mean, that to me, trading that for super karate abilities or whatever that he has, just not worth it.
I mean, yeah, but it's pretty messed up. But I have to, of course, you attain the teaching scroll. So now I hone it into my body. So I won't pass till I pass this.
So you just gotta beat.
Yeah, I just got to do that. I got to
stickman
just make 4 swings
walking
and
around.
then I win. So yeah.
Uh,
So then he brings it back to life using some dark magic. And then I got to do it again.
Why?
Just to learn it. Put more energy into it. Basically, it's in 3s, of course. Do it 3 times successfully. Then you learn the technique. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So just like, you know, the normal, you know, repetitive, you do it 3 times and it becomes like,
It should become
Yeah.
easy to you and simple
somewhat
to
of
you.
a memory.
Right.
So, but,
At least I think. 1, 2,
well, I mean,
3,
it is called
4.
the reflector technique 4 wins.
Good
So,
job.
Maybe you have to do it 4 times?
Yes, lets your warrior spirit burn brightly. I did it right, though. 1, 2, 3.
Maybe if you mess up, maybe you gotta do it 3 times correctly straight in a row.
I guess. It's like really messed up.
I don't.
There we go.
I don't understand. I'm confused and lost. And
I'm a little confused, too. I thought it was 3 times in a row. Oh, it's 5 times.
That's stupid because the name of the technique is Reflector Technique 4 Wins. It literally
Does that mean
states-
that the dog farts 4 times?
Yes.
Oh, I got a bone. Yay!
You know what they say, give a dog a bone.
1, 2... shit.
Knick
1,
knack
2...
paddywhack, give a dog a bone, you know. I mean, that's pretty much what you're doing right now. Because you're whacking a patty.
Oh, I guess I'm done. Okay, I guess I'll leave then. I know the technique now. Had enough, eh? Listen, Wolf, gaining experience in a single skill is admirable, but you must never lose the drive for self-improvement. I pray that you do not forget that.
Basically, what every martial arts
We'll say to you. Yep.
tell you. Just because you know this stuff in this one area does not mean that you get to, like, not learn new shit.
Right.